Hey everyone, today I've got a story that's shaking Zimbabwe to its core. The ZiG currency experiment, meant to be a beacon of economic revival, has turned out to be nothing short of a catastrophic failure. Let's dive into why this ambitious project has led to economic turmoil and what's being said about it. The ZiG experiment was supposed to bolster Zimbabwe's economy, bringing stability and growth. But instead, it was built on propaganda, slogans and coercion. No solid foundation, no real backing, just a reckless gamble that took advantage of vulnerable citizens. Predictably, it has self-destructed, dragging the already fragile economy down further. Now Zimbabwe stands at a crossroads. It's crystal clear that the country needs a new economic approach. One that prioritizes honesty, good governance and, most importantly, the well-being of its people. By focusing on transparency and accountability, Zimbabwe can begin to rebuild trust and attract genuine investment. But wait, there's more. Just 2 months after its introduction, the Zimbabwe gold currency, or ZWG, has also collapsed. Intended to curb hyperinflation and stabilize the economy, the ZWG has instead plummeted in value. Prices are skyrocketing and citizens are reverting back to foreign currencies. Christopher Mutsvangwa, ZANU-PF spokesperson, is in a state of panic. He's urging President Mnangagwa to take decisive action, specifically to make the ZWG the sole legal tender. He believes that the dual currency system is being abused and eliminating it is the only way to regain control. Interestingly, Mutsvangwa pointed to the success of Starlink, a satellite internet provider which bypassed local intermediaries and offered services directly to consumers. This, he argues, is a model Zimbabwe should follow, cutting out rent-seeking middlemen and promoting direct engagement. Despite all this, Mutsvangwa remains a staunch defender of the ZiG currency. He argues that the gold-backed currency aligns with Zimbabwe's historical reliance on precious metals and has the potential to stabilize the economy. Critics who favor the US dollar, Mutsvangwa thinks their views are short-sighted and unsustainable. And get this, President Mnangagwa has even symbolically changed his name to Emerson Mr. Strong Zig Mnangagwa. This bold move, according to Mutsvangwa, signifies the government's unwavering commitment to the ZiG currency. So, what's the takeaway here? Zimbabwe is in desperate need of a new economic strategy, one that moves away from failed experiments and focuses on real people-centered policies. The road ahead is challenging, but with transparency and good governance, there's hope for a brighter future. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this unfolding story. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's hope for the best for Zimbabwe.